The Journal of the American Medical Association reports more than 100,000 people die every year from adverse reactions to properly prescribed medications. That's more than twice the number of people who die in car crashes. The FDA describes this as a major but solvable public health problem. Prescribing medications has become exceedingly complex. Not all patients respond equally to medications, and until now, the tools to solve this problem haven't been available. Healthcare professionals need help preventing adverse drug reactions and treatment failures. Now you can dramatically reduce adverse drug reactions with GeneMed Rx software and DNA drug reaction testing from Genelex. In response to the growing need to manage multiple medications, Genelex has developed comprehensive drug interaction software that evaluates drug-drug and drug-gene interaction risks. When used in combination with pioneering DNA drug reaction testing, this is the surest way to optimize personalized medication management. More than 50% of the population have variations detected by DNA testing that change how they react to many of the most common medications. For example, tamoxifen is often prescribed to help prevent breast cancer recurrence. Up to 10% of patients who take tamoxifen don't benefit from the treatment due to genetic factors. Scientific studies suggest that the current 35% failure rate for tamoxifen treatment would be reduced to less than 10% with the combination of comprehensive medication management and DNA testing. That represents 100,000 lives. In another application, AEI Brookings estimates that routine DNA testing for warfarin or Coumadin dosing would prevent 17,000 treatment failures, 80,000 bleeding events, and save $1.1 billion healthcare dollars every year. These DNA variations apply to the majority of medications in use today. This especially affects people taking multiple medications, as more than 2/3 of the adults over the age of 65 are. So let's take a closer look at GeneMed Rx, the software that is changing the way people manage medications. GeneMed Rx analyzes more than 4,000 different medications for adverse interactions with other drugs, herbal supplements, foods, and over-the-counter remedies. GeneMed Rx is the only software that provides a biological basis for understanding why multiple interactions are taking place, then searches for alternative medicines that may replace problematic ones. The color coding system makes it easy to understand the results, and built-in notes lets you know when a patient would benefit from DNA testing. Our DNA drug reaction test offers control over medications. Submit a sample from anywhere in the world and we'll provide a comprehensive report, including a password-protected GeneMed Rx account for the physician to review with the patient. Thousands of people have already turned to Genelex for help. No one's health should be unnecessarily at risk. GeneMed Rx combined with DNA drug reaction testing can reduce the epidemic of adverse medication outcomes, saving lives and healthcare dollars. Now that's progress. Call one of our DNA experts today to learn more about DNA testing, receive a free trial of our GeneMed Rx software, or set up a free demo. To forward this message to a healthcare provider or loved one, click here. Thank you.